Hello everyone, I'm Manik Mittal, co-founder at Expert. Let me walk you through a newly launched Android app. So we land at the My Crops page. What you see here are crop cards. To monitor your fields using our platform, you first need to add details of your crops here. So let's add a new crop. So here we ask you whether or not you have a device in your field. Under this product line, we have developed a smart weather station which gathers precise agroclimatic data and lets you monitor your crops remotely. Even if you don't want to purchase our device, you can proceed by selecting no. So we ask you for your field location, which we use to collect climatic data using the weather APIs. So you can choose from a list of crops. So you need to specify a unique field name here and select a crop sowing date, which can be from a past or future. You'll receive advisories accordingly. Here you have the option to select from previous soil tests, which are done by our agri experts. If not already done, you can request for a new soil test. So let's view the crop card now. We provide different type of alerts and advisories, including operation alerts and disease alerts, which can be viewed by clicking on the view button. So as you can see here, this is an operation alert, which helps the farmer manage and plan their field operations. So this is a disease alert, which says there is a high chance of armyworm to occur in your paddy field. So disease alerts like this one are generated by analyzing the agroclimatic data and calculating the likeliness of a disease to occur. We also alert the nearby farmer if such a disease actually occurs in a field. The farmer can provide their feedback by using the useful or not useful button, which helps us increase our model's accuracy. Moving on to the next tab, the farmer can monitor the agroclimatic data remotely over here. The data sets include temperature, humidity, wind speed, rainfall, and soil moisture. The farmer is also able to list the produce on our marketplace once a crop is harvested. We connect him with the produce buyers. This feature also lets him keep track of his year-on-year harvest. He can also share his harvest with the potential buyers by clicking on the share button. And once the harvest is sold, it can be marked as complete. Coming back to the My Crops page, the user can then archive this crop for future reference for keeping his own record. Once you archive the crop, it can be assessed using the archived crops tab over here. So moving on, the next is the forecast tab, where the farmer can check the weather forecast and plan the operations accordingly. We also provide forecast in hourly and daily formats. We also suggest relevant field operations that can be planned on that day. For example, on a cloudy day, these are the operations that you can plan. So coming back to the My Crops page, user can request for a soil test over here, whereafter one of our trained professionals will collect the soil sample for testing and provide the test results. Let's request for a callback. The test results will be provided over here. User can also book an agri expert call from over here. Our agri expert will be contacting the user within 48 hours and addressing all his concerns. We'll also be providing a detailed report regarding the issues discussed in the call. The report will be available over here. As you can see. We also have an ongoing referral program where a user gets credits worth 25 rupee on each successful referral, and the user installing the app gets credits worth 15 rupee. These credits can then be used to book agri expert calls and soil tests. Currently, our app is ported in 3 different languages: Hindi, English, and Assamese. So that was all about our app. Our app is now available on Play Store.